this video we're going to be talking about the real holy grail of forex trading, which is risk management. And most people are not paying enough attention to it, and that's the reason why they can't find consistency in the market when they're trying to become full-time traders. Now, one of the key elements of risk management is being able to risk the exact same percentage of your account on each trade. Most people are basing their trades on the exact same lot size, no matter if the stop loss is 50 pips or 20 pips. This is just an example. People will just take the fixed lot size they have decided for their account, and they will trade based on that particular lot size. But in this way, they have absolutely no control on the risk. They don't know how much money they're risking. So, for example, I here brought two tools. These are just the risk to reward tools of TradingView, and it's pretty simple. I mean, I have a 50 pip stop loss. I want to risk 1% on it. I will be monitoring, I will be calculating my lot size based on this 50 pips stop loss to be able to risk only 1% of my account on this trade. On the other side, if I have a 20 pip stop loss, I will be risking 1% of my account because I am adjusting my lot size to my stop loss in order to risk this 1% on my account. Now, one of the most powerful tools that you can use as a trader is actually risk to reward. In fact, if I'm risking 1%, so I'm adjusting my lot size in order to risk only 1% on this 50 pips stop loss, I'm targeting at least 150 pips for a 1 to 3 risk reward. So I'm risking 1% to make at least 3%. On the other side, if I have only a 20 pip stop loss, I will adjust my lot size in order to risk only 1%, but still I'm making only 60 pips on this trade, but I'm still making 3%. And here I'm making 150 pips and it's still 3%. That's why pips are not that important. I see so many people on Instagram, everybody talking about pips, but the fact is that at the end of the day, it's not about the money, it's not about the pips, it's about the percentage. It's only about percentage. Being able to adjust your lot size in order to fit your requirements in order to hit a trade. Because for me, if I do not have at least 1 to 3, I'm not taking the trade. So if I don't have the possibility to make at least 3 times what I'm risking, in this case 1%, which is my usual risk, I'm not taking the trade. Now, I will now show you why it's so important to actually use this minimum 1 to 3 risk reward. But first of all, I want to show you a simple tool that you can use to adjust your lot size, because that is what I'm using every time. Obviously you can do it by hand, but the easiest way is just to go to my Forex book position size calculator. You can just Google it, and for example, you have you're living in Europe, so you have euro, you have, let's say, a 10k account, you want to risk 1% on it, so you just type in 1 here. You have a 50 pip stop loss as in the example I just made. The currency pair I'm trying to trade is Euro USD. I just calculate my lot size and I know exactly how much money I'm risking, and I know the lot size. So it will just tell me exactly that I have to use 0.22 lots. So when I will go on my MetaTrader 4 account, I will just put 0.22 at the entry price I wanted to take with my 50 pips stop loss, and I will be risking exactly 100 euros, which is my 1% and is exactly what I need. I will now show you why it's so important to actually use this minimum 1 to 3 risk reward, and I really recommend everyone to use it. I here made some easy calculations for you guys so you can understand the importance of the risk to reward. So let's take a 1% risk per trade. We have 10 trades, we win 5 and we lose 5. So in the wins, we obviously every time we're risking 1% to make minimum 3%. So every win will be 3%. In the end, everything adds up to a plus 15%. The next 5 trades I take, each one of them I lose them. So I lose 5%. So I made 15%, but then I lost 5 trades. So I win 5, lose 5. Total, I made 15% on the winners, I lost 5% of the losers. So my total will be a net 10% profit. So by only being right 50% of the times, I'm still coming up way in profit. That's the thing that most people don't understand. Everybody, when they come to the market, they think they have to be right more than 50% of the time to actually be profitable, and that's the reason why binary options are just a scam, and in fact they have been banned in Europe. The reason is that you have negative risk reward. Here you're basically trading like a casino, so you are 100% sure that on a large number of trades you will be profitable, because you don't even need to be right 50% of the times. In fact, I have made another example, and in this case changed the number of winners, and we just have 3 winners and 7 losers. And as you can see, we have 3 winners, which totally make us 9%, and we have 7 losers that take 7% of our profits away, and still we're coming out in profits. So with only a 30% win rate, we are still in profit. And that is the real holy grail of forex trading, and that is the reason that forex trading is the only way. So try to avoid binary options, are basically the worst thing you can possibly trade. This is why forex trading is actually a legit business. It's like a business because your losers are your business expenses, and your winners are, if we try to see forex trading as a business. In a business, you will have business expenses to buy your items that then you have to sell for a higher price. The same thing is with forex. You're buying, let's say, so you have low expenses, and you're trying to sell what you buy at least 3 times the price you bought it. Make sure you go follow my Instagram profile. I will put the link below. I share a lot of analysis. Here we have very valuable content, educational videos. You can go watch all this series. And also on my TradingView account, I'm starting to, every weekend and during the week, I'm publishing free bid analysis for the setups that are forming. So make sure you go and follow my TradingView account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any requests for new videos, and I will make them for you guys. Have a good day, and always remember, use risk management and trade safe.